I want to show you just how easy it is to create a floor plan in SimpleDraw. We switch into floor plan mode. We can use our wall tools to create walls, some exterior walls there, and an interior wall here, for example. Now we can add items. Let's put a staircase in. Let's put a doorway in here. You can flip the doorway to hinge on the other side if you want, or to open outwards. Let's put a window in. Now let's extend that window and break it up into 3 sections. Let's just position it over here. Now at the back, let's put some furniture in. We'll have a bed here and bedside tables. See how everything flips to the correct orientation just based on where you position it. Over here, we can put a sofa and an armchair. And let's put a coffee table in. We'll rotate that so that goes that way around. You can see we can also put in a range of different kitchen items and a range of bathroom items. So it really is very quick and easy to build out your floor plan with your walls and the furnishings however you want. This tool is free to use, no sign up needed, simpledraw.app. You can get started drawing your floor plan straight away.